tap, tap, tap. Little raindrops on my cap. Drip and drop, they spin around. Jump and hide into the ground. Splash and puddles, 1, 2, 3. Come and dance along with me. Swirling, twirling in the air. Raindrops falling everywhere. Leaves are drinking, so are trees. Sipping raindrops in the breeze. Drip and drop on flowers bright, making gardens fresh and light. Birds are shaking wings so wide. Drippy feathers side to side. Drumming raindrops on the street. Tapping softly to the beat. Little rivers start to flow, rushing fast and moving slow. Tiny fish swim here and there, dancing through the rainy air. Then the sunshine peaks to say, time to dry and run away. Rainbow smiles so big and bright, painting colors, what a